There's the afternoon. Me, Timmy and Sir Mulloway at Thomas. Gonna have a bit of, just let the tyres down, starting to get a bit soft. Sensational day, no wind, unbelievable. About 25 degrees, sun's just setting. Hopefully we'll catch something tonight. Just on dark here, Raymond's first cast with the big rod. I think he's hooked something. Oh, big skippy.
It's a nice one.
Oh, wow. Holy cow, that's alright. Well done, Toss. Well done, Sir Mulloway or Sir Skippy tonight. Oh, we just pulled Raymond's in and Timmy's hooked something. Jesus.
It's double the size of Raymond, this one.
Oh no, Timmy's on again. Geez, we're going alright tonight.
Big 950 pence.
He's got his brand new reel. Giving it a good workout. Oh, here we go. What have we got? A Mulloway? It's a Mulloway. It's a bloody Mulloway. Oh!
That's the salmon on it.
Salmon? Oh, this is a salmon. That's alright. Yeah, Jimmy's hooked another salmon here. He's on fire tonight. Nothing safe, I tell you. Oh, we're just sitting back there having a couple of beers and telling lies to each other. And Raymond's had a big strike here. He goes good, the old Sir Mulloway. He thinks it might be a salmon. Yeah, I think he's got a salmon on. Yeah.
I think it's a Mulloway. Look
Is
at
it?
that.
Is it?
It is a Mulloway.
It's a bloody Mulloway. Oh, bloody.
Oh, gotta love that.
Oh, awesome.
Mulloway, Ray.
Mulloway, Sir Mulloway's come good again.
Fucking hell. Oh no, it's not.
No? What is it?
Taylor. Yeah.
It's a Taylor?
Taylor.
A Taylor?
Oh, fucking.
Oh, Jesus, Timmy's hooked something again here. This has been an action-packed night tonight. I've only had 3 beers, I've got no time to bloody drink them. Hey, just look at him go. Oh, Sir Mulloway's looking on, offering some advice.
Skull dragon, Timmy, skull dragon.
Skull dragon. Oh, another nice skippy. Oh, this is like taking weed off a blind chook, this.
That's a good size one, too.
That's a bloody beauty. Well done, Toss. Well done.
It's on the 950, right?
Yeah. Plundering the stocks again. Strictly bagged in, of course. Oh, Timmy, we just pulled Timmy's rod in and bloody hell, Raymond's hooked something. Oh, it's a big salmon, is it? Packed all the gear up. The lads have just making a cup of tea for the road. We're heading into town. Bloody awesome last night. Done real well.